What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be exposing a secret that most people ignore, and that is trading meme coins in 2026 is a losing game. Most people are getting completely liquidated by these rug pulls. They are buying these coins hoping to make money, but the coin just completely dumps. And that's exactly why I do the complete opposite. I launch these viral coins and I make all the money from it. Now I will show you exactly how to create meme coins with my strategy all for free in this video. I am not here to sell you a course. I am here to show you every single step from A to Z. The truth is that diving meme coins is way more profitable and way more easier than trading, and that's why I am making this video. Let's go. And guys, look at my phantom wallet. I am not here to waste your time or to bullshit. I've made all my money from creating coins. I know what I'm doing, so make sure to keep watching this video, bro. It's going to be straight sauce. Now, a lot of traders are losing a bunch of money in the trenches because they keep buying meme coins hoping for the coin to pump, but the opposite happens and the coin just goes to zero, just like most of these meme coins. I would say the majority of the meme coins that are actually created just end up going to zero, bro. It's the same exact pattern over and over again, and there's nothing that you can do. It will happen eventually on every single meme coin, okay? All the coins eventually goes to zero because meme coins hold no value, okay? The attention will fade out eventually and the coin would drop, and that's why I hate trading, bro, because I used to buy coins hoping for the coin to pump, but I just lost money, and that's why I switched to diving. Now I am making hundreds of thousands of dollars without risking anything. All I'm doing is devoting a bit of my time into launching a couple coins, waiting for buyers, and then I just sell my supply, okay? It's obviously not as simple as that, but it is how it works, and I will show you every single step into making a coin with my proven strategy all live right now. Yes, I will be doing a launch in this video to show you how much I can make, but yeah, let's go. And by the way guys, everything is for educational purposes only. I am not at all a financial advisor. Although I do make money from deving, I do not condone any financial advice. Now here's exactly where I make my meme coins to reach the most amount of traders possible to buy my meme coins. And this is really important, okay? Now most people make their coins on Pump.Fun. Now I highly suggest you to not launch here because most meme coins on Pump.Fun go absolutely nowhere. Most coins on Pump.Fun are straight bullshit. They get no buyers. Maybe they'll pump for a bit, but they will just dry out because no one buys them. It's as simple as that. There is not enough attention for all of these coins being launched, and that's why it's oversaturated. So instead, bro, I make my coins on Radium, okay? By launching our coins on Radium, you can reach way more people. Like as you guys can see here, there is 200 people viewing this coin right now just on Axum alone. That is insane. The amount of attention on Radium is absolutely nuts. I've seen a bunch of success by launching here directly, and I use a launchpad called launchmemes.io to make my coins on Radium. It's the best launchpad for this. That's why I use it. And here's exactly how to make a meme coin on Launch Memes. You could either create your coin from scratch, right? So just like Pump.Fun, if you have any type of narrative, it does not matter, a project, a community, some type of news that you found online related to Trump or someone, right? Well, you can turn that into a meme coin just right here. Just put a name, symbol, and image, and your meme coin is live, okay? Or you can use their copy trending coins feature. Here is where I made all my money, bro. I love this strategy. It's the same exact thing as vamping. Basically every single meme coin here is going viral on Pump.Fun directly. They're all gaining a bunch of traction and they all have good narratives, which means they're proven. So instead of creating coins from scratch, we're just going to be copying one coin from this list and relaunching that coin back to Radium to get a bunch of buyers. That's exactly how I make my money. But anyways guys, let's launch a coin. Let's stop yapping and let's see if I can make money right now. I will walk you through every single step. Now first of all, make sure your phantom wallet is connected, like that you can receive your payout when you cash out on your meme coin. And then now let's launch a meme coin, right? I don't care about which narrative, which, I don't care. I just go for one and I try it out. I'm gonna go for the Hue1 coin. Click on copy to Radium. Your phantom wallet will show up in the block. Okay, this block is normal. Every launchpad for Radium will get this warning. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be actually minted on Solana shortly. Just wait. Not live, but minted. Okay. Boom, and as you guys can see, it's on Solana. You have proof right here. Let's create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create a supply for our meme coin. Like that, people can buy our coin, they will get supply, and we as devs will have supply before everyone else. Now for the supply right here, click on 90%. I do that for all my launches. Just click that every single launch that you make for the amount of SOTA pair. This is a dev buy. You are buying in your own coin. Like that, you can have supply. Put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. Anywhere in between that is perfect. You are not going to lose anything. Okay, once you cash out, it will come back, bro. It's not a big deal. It is not lost. Okay, chill out. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin is live. Okay, just wait, bang, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, it's live. You have your PNL, you have everything here. Let's go see our chart. Okay, I use Photon. You can go on any trading platform that you want, it does not matter. Okay, just go find your meme coin. It's important to view the chart to see how it's doing. And as you guys can see, boom, it's already pumping 28 bucks. People are selling. This is not bad. $5, 40 bucks. Oh, not bad. Okay, now guys, it is going a bit down. It is not a big deal. Just let the coin pump. Do not be emotional. Eventually it's going to explode if people like it. And yeah, let's go see how much we're up. So if you come back to launch memes, you click on refresh. As you guys can see, we're up 200 bucks already within seconds of the launch. Now all you have to do from now on is let your coin pump, let people buy in, and when it's really high, then now you can cash out. So be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we're at the 40k market cap. Let's cash this out right now. So obviously it's up decent. Let's cash out before it goes down. Come back to launch memes, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, we're up 2.6k. That's insane within like 10 minutes, bro. Let's actually put this in our phantom wallet. So click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out and cash out. Boom, just cash out, and look at my phantom wallet. Boom, $2,600 is in my phantom wallet, guys. This is not fake, it's real money. Obviously 36 SOL. Launchmemes.io will be linked down below, guys. All I have to say is to stay consistent. Do not give up. If you only make like 100 bucks, just launch. And if you do want to win 10 SOL like this lucky winner right here, guys, just like, subscribe, and comment, and join my free Telegram group down below, bro. Just join that and you will be entered. I choose randomly every single video.